CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6 Given a scenario, configure Microsoft Windows settings. File Explorer options. Next, let's take a look at File Explorer options. This is where you can configure how files and folders are displayed and how File Explorer behaves overall. These settings are especially useful when you're troubleshooting issues, managing files, or working in environments where file visibility and accuracy are critical. When you open File Explorer options, you'll be presented with a small dialog box that contains several tabs across the top, including General, View, and Search. Each of these tabs groups together related settings that control different aspects of how File Explorer looks and behaves. The General tab focuses on everyday functionality, such as how File Explorer opens and how files and folders are accessed. The View tab provides more advanced display settings, allowing you to control visibility and layout options. The Search tab, which we won't focus on here, is used to configure how searches are performed within File Explorer. At the bottom of the window, you'll also find options to apply changes, restore defaults, or confirm your selections. This layout makes it easy to navigate between different settings and customize File Explorer based on your needs. Let's now take a closer look at some of the specific settings within File Explorer options that are important for the exam. First, we have View Hidden Files. This setting is found under the View tab and controls whether hidden files and folders are visible. By default, Windows hides certain files to protect system integrity. When you enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, these items become visible in File Explorer, usually appearing slightly faded compared to regular files. This is especially useful during troubleshooting. For example, application data folders, configuration files, and certain system directories are often hidden. Without enabling this setting, you may not even realize those files exist. However, it's important to use caution when working with hidden files, since modifying them incorrectly can impact system performance or stability. Next is Hide Extensions for known file types. This setting determines whether file extensions are displayed at the end of file names. When enabled, a file like document.txt will appear simply as document. While this may look cleaner, it can also hide important information. Disabling this option will display the full file name, including its extension, such as .exe or .pdf. This is critical for both troubleshooting and security. For example, a malicious file could be named report.pdf.exe, and if extensions are hidden, it may appear to be a harmless PDF file. For this reason, many IT professionals prefer to keep file extensions visible at all times. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.